Hey, AMIers! Today we're going to talk about the 12 best affiliate marketing programs in 2021. So you've made the decision to work for yourself and you want to start making money online with affiliate marketing. Great! Now what? First, you're going to need to find a product to sell. And to do that, you'll need to find an affiliate program or network to join. And currently in 2021, there are thousands of different programs offering thousands of different products, confusing you with thousands of choices, leaving you to do countless hours of research in your already busy life to find that one program out of thousands will be time consuming. New or experienced, it really doesn't matter. Choosing the right program can be overwhelming for any affiliate marketer. I mean, who's got the time or the energy? We do! Hey there, this is your affiliate marketing informant, Susie Nelson, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. If you find value in this video, give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and allow notifications. That way you'll be in the know when we release our new videos. If you guys have any questions or comments, let us know below. Also, if you guys want to let us know what program or network is your favorite, tell us in the comments below. We'd love to look that up and research that with you guys. So Kim's been doing this for years, and she wants to help you. If you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing, or even just a little curious about all this affiliate stuff, check out the links below to find what we think are hands down the best and most current quality tips, tricks, tools, and training that AMI has found for you. Our goal today is to take the overwhelming, time-consuming confusion out of the process so you can quickly and confidently research and find an affiliate program to join today. You, as an affiliate marketer, have a choice of the type of the program you want to work with. And different programs offer different products for you to promote. Different products will appeal to different audiences. And the biggest key to success is only select the products that your audience wants. You plus the right products for your audience will equal the right affiliate program for you to make the most money. Now, before we get started today, I want to suggest you guys check out the 9 questions to answer before you join an affiliate program. This will give you the framework for what I'm doing today, and it'll also give you a checklist to do it on your own moving forward. Today in this video, we're going to cover the difference between an affiliate program and an affiliate network, the benefits of working with an affiliate network, and AMI's 12 best affiliate marketing programs and networks in 2021. Stay with us until the end, and we'll give you 14 more programs that I've already gone through and identified for you guys, done a little bit of research, kind of give you a little bit more of an idea of what we're doing so you can do it yourself. So what is the difference between an affiliate program and an affiliate network? An affiliate program is used to boost a company's marketing efforts and its sales. It is an extremely profitable way for a company to market its products and have someone else promote it. In return, they share a percentage of the profits from the sale with you, the affiliate. Ultimately, an affiliate program comes directly from the company that produces the product, managed in-house directly by that company. However, some programs can be managed by a third-party company within an affiliate network. Affiliate networks offer a wide variety of affiliate programs, and each program offers a different product to promote within the network. Affiliate programs are like supporting smaller mom and pop stores, while affiliate networks are like malls for the mom and pop stores. Affiliate programs are so profitable, even the giant retailers are cashing in on it. Why are there so many programs and networks? In 2021, technology today allows any company to easily launch an affiliate program. And all businesses want effective ways to sell more products. Affiliate marketers are always looking for good products to recommend to their audiences. And just think, the 4 billion people connected to the internet today are potential buyers for any and every affiliate product online. So what are the benefits of working with an affiliate marketing network? You can easily compare the commissions across different affiliate programs. You get paid by the affiliate networks, which ensures you get your earned affiliate commission. And you can make more money from one network by leveraging more programs from one place. Each program and network has its own set of rules that you must follow. And I cannot stress this enough. Always, always read the program policies. Now that you have a good understanding of what affiliate programs are, the differences between affiliate programs and networks, and the benefits of working with an affiliate network, you're probably thinking, tell me, Susie, what is the best affiliate program for me? Well, unfortunately, there is no one size fits all. Mainly because your niche and your target market are unique to you and your business. So when you're looking for an affiliate program to join as an affiliate marketer, there is some general information that we all need to know. And since there is so much to know, we're going to cover in detail AMI's 12 best affiliate marketing programs and networks in 2021. I'm going to break this down into 3 different categories. We're going to start with the 4 best affiliate marketing programs, go into the 4 best affiliate marketing networks, and we'll finish off with the 4 best giant retailer affiliate programs. We'll also tell you the one program that we think might be close to perfect. For each affiliate program, we're going to cover a little bit of the company's history and where it stands today, the niche that they service, their commission rates, and their cookie duration and payouts. So if you guys are ready, let's dive right in. The 4 best affiliate marketing affiliate programs are Aweber, Canva, ClickFunnels, and Wealthy Affiliate. Aweber. Aweber was established in 1998 as an email marketing and automation platform. It allows entrepreneurs and small companies to interact with their target buyers by using Aweber's tools to effectively automate their email marketing. Aweber is free for up to 500 subscribers, then it is $19 a month. They target the email marketing and automation niche, working with small companies or individuals looking for help to simplify and grow their small business marketing. Aweber commission rates are 30% paid monthly. Their cookie duration can last a lifetime, and their repeat commissions are 30% for as long as the referred customer stays with Aweber. Number 2 is Canva. Canva is a graphic design application founded in 2012. It has since proven itself with sustained viability compared to early competitors. Canva contributes this to the increase in demand for images, photos, and illustrations in the web design market, noting that their continual support provides users with tools to access social media graphics, presentations, logos, banners, infographics, etc. with special layouts. Canva is a free tool that has all your content creations covered. They have thousands of easy-to-use templates, plus some online design training. Once you get in there, you guys might find that you want some of the more expensive things. Canva is great, but some of their better graphics do cost a little bit. So if you have a bigger team, or if you find that you want more things, try Canva Pro. They do have 30 days free, see if you like it, and then it's only $12.99 a month. Canva's commission rates are 20% to 30% with a cookie duration of 30 days. Repeat commissions are 20% to 30% for as long as the referred customer stays with Canva. Number 3, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels was founded in 2014 by 2 guys who wanted an all-in-one sales funnel for each of their own businesses. They sat down and came up with something they knew they had to share with the world. ClickFunnels does have a 14-day trial that you will need to provide your credit card for. Their niche is sales funnels and online marketing, with most buyers needing someone else to do the techie stuff to get them up and running. ClickFunnels has a 40% commission rate with a cookie duration that can last a lifetime. Their repeat commissions are 40% on the main site. Number 4, Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate was created as an initiative to help other people succeed online on a platform that has not only proven success, but continues to evolve faster than the industry. This program is completely free and it's designed for starters with everything compiled in a user-friendly platform. Commission rates and repeat commission rates vary based on the product or service the merchant is offering, with a lifetime cookie duration. Next, we have our 4 best affiliate marketing networks: AWin, CJ, ClickBank, and Digistore. Number 1, AWin. AWin bought ShareASale in 2017, bringing it to one of the largest platforms in North America, working with over 15,000 advertisers and 211,000 publishers. It does cost $5 to join, but that is just a deposit. Once they verify your bank information and you make your first sale, they do return your $5 to you. AWin services many physical niches in the retail, telecom, travel, and finance sectors, partnering with Groupon, Warby Parker, TripAdvisor, and many more. Commission rates range from 6% to 20%, with a cookie duration of 1 to 30 days. You can choose your payout to be twice monthly on the 1st and the 15th, or once a month paid out on the 30th. Our number 2 best affiliate marketing networks is CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction, was started in Santa Barbara, California in 1998. It is an established affiliate marketing network with 14 offices worldwide, doing business in over 240 countries. They offer customers their expertise, tools, and solutions to thrive in today's online marketplace. It is completely free to join, but you must be approved. Many have found the approval process to be extremely challenging, though they do say it is rewarding once approved. Their target niche is mostly physical products, partnering with companies like Barnes & Noble, Office Depot, Priceline, and Overstock.com, just to name a few. Their commission rates, cookie duration, and repeat commissions all vary based on the product or service that the merchant is offering. Number 3, ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the oldest affiliate marketing networks around, selling digital and physical products created by passionate entrepreneurs. It is free to join ClickBank, and they have many different physical and digital products available. It has recently proven itself to be a company that listens. In the past, they were considered lower quality because this program does cater to upstarts. However, they have taken steps to provide better products. I will suggest be mindful of who you choose to partner with. Some of their products are out of date and are no longer supported. ClickBank has commission rates up to 75% with both percentages and flat rates available, with a cookie duration of about 60 days and repeat commissions of weekly payouts. Number 4, Digistore 24. Digistore 24 is fairly new to the US market. Emerging out of Germany, they are quickly making a name for themselves by digitizing and automating a company's entire distribution, allowing them to reach their target groups online. It's free to join Digistore 24. Their primary niche is wealth, nutrition, and lifestyle, with their products being digital, physical, software, and even hosting events. They have commission rates up to 70% paid out weekly, with a cookie duration varying based on the product or a merchant. Their repeat commissions are paid out weekly, and they also have a second tier program that allows for additional commission structures. That's something that's pretty new to this industry, so that's definitely something to look into. And last but not least, we're going to go with our 4 best giant retailer affiliate programs: Amazon Associates, eBay, Walmart, and Wayfair. First, Amazon. So I know we said there was no one perfect affiliate program, but Amazon affiliate program comes pretty dang close. You can promote over 500 million products from the Amazon Associate program alone. It's free to join the Amazon Associate program, and they specialize in physical and digital products. If you can buy it on Amazon, an affiliate is probably getting a commission. Commission rates are lower than other affiliate programs at 1% to 10%, and this just means that you'll either need to sell a whole lot of what you're selling, or you may need to look for some of the higher commission percentages. So their cookie duration is going to be 24 hours unless it's added to the cart, at which point it can be set for a 90-day cookie. The repeat commissions are $10 with a minimum payout via gift card or direct deposit. Our number 2 giant retailer affiliate program is eBay. eBay has been around for years, and at this point it accounts for 6.6% of the US e-commerce market. It is a bit different than the other programs in that it offers used items and is an auction platform. According to eBay, it is currently experiencing an increase in their buy now business. Either way, it has proven itself to be profitable for many of its affiliates that want a low-risk program. eBay's target niche is new and used physical products for fashion, pets, art, music, etc. It offers products from individuals wanting to sell, or you can partner with big brands like Adidas, Philips, Asus, or JBL Harman. eBay offers 50% to 70% of their revenue, not the selling price. The cookie duration is 24 hours. On some products, you may only need to have a bid put in an item in the first 24 hours, and then the cookie will last for up to 10 days as the auction continues. Repeat commissions are $10 minimum payout on the 10th of the month. Number 3, Walmart. Walmart is the #1 retailer in the United States. They have become a trustworthy online retailer utilizing their brand recognition to make it easy for you to advertise and earn your commissions by allowing you to place banner ads or text links on your websites to refer customers. It is completely free to join, but you will have to wait 24 hours to be approved. Their niche is general home products and a few toys. You can partner with all of the companies that offer products in their stores to earn commissions. Commissions rates are from 1% to 4% in the click to buy option with a 3-day cookie. Repeat commissions are paid on monthly net sales and do not include returns, sales tax, or shipping and handling. Number 4, Giant Best Retailer Affiliate Programs is the Wayfair Affiliate Program. Wayfair.com is one of the world's largest online destinations for the home, and they take pride in making customers' shopping experience the best it can be. Wayfair offers over 18 million products across 5 distinct brands: Wayfair.com, All Modern, Birch Lane, Joss & Main, and Perigold. They actually use CJ Affiliate to power their affiliate program. Wayfair affiliates benefit from dedicated in-house management with a 7% commission rate and a 7-day referral period, and over 2 million products available through their data feeds. Guys, if you are still with me, that is it. That was the 12 best affiliate marketing programs of 2021. And for those of you who stuck it out this long, that's right. I did 14 more programs that I didn't put in this. So I have that for you guys. If you click the link below or somewhere on the screen here now, you'll be able to get that extra to see how I did it with the checklist of the prior video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let us know down below.